So that's where we was earlier with that amazing hallway. Gothic, it wasn't a church, was it? Gothic room. And this is where we tried to go, but it was shut. In that corner, that's where we're heading now. What a fantastic view. Gotta say, there's some absolutely gorgeous buildings in Belgium. Well, in Bruges. Look at that. Stunning. This is where we was going to come earlier, but it was shut. Has it got the name of it on it, Pete? Because I can't remember the name of it, can you? There's something, the blood. Basilica of the Holy Blood, that's it. So this is the Basilica of the Holy Blood. As far as I'm aware, it contains like something with Christ, meant to be with Christ's blood on it, Pete.
Looks good. From inside then, right?
Yeah, it looks really nice outside, doesn't it? Okay, so you're not allowed to video in there, but where that priest is sat in the little box, what you see is a little piece of cloth that's meant to have a piece of Jesus's blood on it. I will put more in the description box below because it's just amazing. Everything's just amazing, so look in the description box below for more information. Nice, isn't it, Pete? Look at that. Like a stand.
Maybe that church in France, kind of like similar. That's a small one, and you pay a lot of money.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? Similar.
Yeah. So that's basically what it was. And it's got some Christ blood on it. Good though, Pete. Oh, it was free as well. Free entry. There's a massive trip coming up in February on the channel where we visit Thailand, Vietnam and Cambodia. And it's going to be amazing. It's all booked, everything. It's happening for a full month. So I hope you enjoyed the Bruges trip. And I'll see you all soon. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And from Pete.
Bye.